One in your hand. Take that one.
You want me to try to space with the crowbar so you can get the ratchet in there?
All I want was headers on this.
When I get that gets tight, I should bring this thing down a little ways.
Is the engine still up or was it raised at all?
No,
I put it all the way down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What size are
Then
those?
you call it splat TV. This?
Yeah. It'll work better.
Yeah.
Make sure you hold down the fan so it doesn't move.
Yeah. Wrench drill bit.
Oh, that gray one on your side.
There you go. Where? That's because the way the mount is. That's the best it's gonna do. Really, that's it. That's all it has. That's good. And
Cool. Oh, sweet. Space.
oh fuck! Ah, cock and Nora. It just dumped fluid everywhere. Bad. Bad pump. Ah. Get it.
Come on.
Jesus.
It's turning me.
God, no. Fuck me. Step on it. Oh. it broke.
Shit. Well, I think that's enough for me. I'm going to go home, mate.
Shit. We experienced.
What was it? Made in China or something?
Yes. China. Put that to the scrap pile.
Wow.
I mean, look.
Like a wedge or something.
There it is. locks in. Now is that funny or sad? Because that's rated for 1976 Chevy Impala with the 455. She's telling me in about what 25, 30 years they didn't change the cap. Hey, at least I know. Okay, so I just got to get a GM power steering.
Hey, if it's not broken, don't fix it.